How you doing, guys, and welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm gonna show you how to replace studs. In this case I'm doing something different just because the ones that I have, you guys see right here on the back as on the front, we have adapters. So this is 25 millimeter adapter, and that's where you attach the adapter to the original studs, and this adapter has studs as well, and you put these ones to your wheel. In this case I need to replace this just because for me, even though some people said it's safe, I saw a lot of cases where the adapters have some cracks, and sometimes the studs broke and then wheel coming off and you get into an accident. I wanted to run something safer. I want it to be where I can have different sizes, depends on what I'm looking for on the spacers. I wanted to put the spacers, and I went with the 25 millimeter just because my wheels, if you can see my wheels, they don't have the little holes where the studs can stick in. All my wheels are flat on the back, and if these ones stand out when you put a 20 or 50 millimeter spacer, this one is gonna stick out, and when you put your wheel, because mine doesn't have holes in the back, it's not gonna sit flush. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to go for 25 millimeter adapter. In this case, what I'm gonna do this extended studs and this metal lug nut, which something that I bought from this company, Plugs. And this video is not a sponsor, I pay for this with my own money. So by putting studs, I'm gonna be able to run extended studs, and I'm gonna be able to replace this for any type of spacer that I wanted to put. Because if you put a spacer, remember, if you put a spacer, what you're gonna do is you're gonna miss threads. If you have the original studs, you're not gonna have enough threads to put your wheel on. So that's dangerous too. When you're gonna put the spacers or adapters, and you wanna stick out the wheel to make a better fitment on your vehicle, you need to consider and to go to extended studs. I'm gonna show you how to do this on the rear, because on the front of this Accord is another story. On this Accord you have to remove the hub from the knuckle. That means replace your bearing. I'm not planning to replace the bearing right now, that's not due. First, let's remove the adapter. Okay guys, if you can see, I remove the 240 millimeter in here for the bracket. Bracket is out. No problems removing the rotor because I have my impact screwdriver. The 2 bolts for the rotor are out, and I was seeing that probably by cutting the dust shield right here, I'm gonna be able to remove this and putting the longer studs, which is gonna be amazing. Obviously, I'm gonna put one of the lug nuts from my adapter. I'm gonna put it right here, keep it flush with the stock studs, and then I'm just gonna hit it with a hammer. Okay guys, so if you're using headphones, be careful. Okay, that's one out, and that's how you're replacing studs, guys. If you can see there, this is the extended one. If we replacing the studs, it's not gonna be a problem by just putting the other one, but because we put in extended studs, I'm gonna have to bend the shield with the hammer, because these extended studs, they have to be in straight like that. They're not gonna go in for the shield, but that's easy fix. Yeah, it's not on the way, it's not messing anything, and like that the stud is in. Okay guys, really easy on this one, which is not the same case for the front one. Front one is just a whole another story. I wish they did the design different on the front so we can change the studs at easier way. Unfortunately, that's not the case. And now the fun part, you can press them in, but in this case I'm just gonna use my impact and start tying them up, all of them, so I can bring the whole stud in. So be careful with this step. Make sure the studs are seated properly, and I'm gonna show you how. I have two washers right here, that's all I need, and I get one of the lug nuts from my adapters. I'm just gonna put it in, and I have deep socket. So that's all you need. Make sure that on the back it stays flush, and then just start tying them up. Until it sits all the way in, and that's when everything is good to go. You can see right there it's sitting properly. Get this thing loose. Once that's loose, check on the back, make sure that they sitting properly, and then move to the next one. So now guys, if you see, this is the studs already in the vehicle. Now you can just put the adapter. Obviously you have to get everything ready, like brakes, rotor, and everything, but that's the way it looks now. The adapter only, then the wheel, and I'm gonna throw some plugs, open end lug nuts, and you need this. They have to be open when you want to run extended studs. You can do close because they're just not gonna you're not gonna have enough room, because these ones they're gonna go and pass through. That's why you need open end lug nuts, and that's how it's gonna look at the end. There you have it guys, 25mm spacer, open end lug nuts, and extended studs, and installation is finished on the back. Next video, I'm not sure when, but on the next one I'm gonna show you how to do the front. Guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Peace.